Hello everyone, and we are watching here the 74th Senior Nationals final match, which is being played between Indian Railways and Services. Here we are watching Naveen Kumar rating here. If we talk about the history before the 17th Senior Nationals, the 5 times runner-ups was Indian Railways and 4 times winner was Services. But last year in the 17th Senior Nationals, it was changed by Haryana, and Haryana won that time, and Indian Railways again was the runner-up. This time as well, Indian Railways is playing the finals, which is against the Services. And here Sudhakar M is here for Indian Railways. Can he pick up a point for his team? Because he is the one who is needed, and I guess he is going to be trying for and running hand touch here, as he went for and running hand touch, his signature move. No, that is and tackle of Sudhakar M, and not so advanced tackle, not at all reaction, really mild reactions by the coaches of both of the teams. Services getting 2 points, Indian Railways getting 2 points. Services 3 points, that is and just now change into the scoreboard. Bharat is here for his team. Can he get a point for his team? No, he got really advanced tackled here by the team of Indian Railways, which is not at all expected when you are playing into the finals, and at that time you are getting advanced tackled. Here Pankaj Mohite has came for his team from Indian Railways last season as well in the Pro Kabaddi League, and last year as well he was not able to show that much of good performance. And here in the defense of 5, what type of miracle can we see from Pankaj Mohite? Can he get a point? He tried for a dive, but no, got tackled by a chain, and really advanced tackle done by Services as well. Another point for Services. Here it is going to be a really tough match between Services and Indian Railways. Only a 1 point gap. Here anything can happen, and who has came for the raid? The biggest man in Pro Kabaddi League season 11. Devang from Patna Pirates is here, and the defense of 6 for Services. Can he get a point? Right for a running hand touch. With his huge height, he can get a point just by slipping into it. The defense by doing running hand touch, right for a bonus, and got ankle hold by the defender by the left corner of Services. What and defense of Services, cause we have seen 3 of the tackles and all the 3 were successful tackles for the Services, and that is a really good thing. Here another time, can we see a successful raid? Cause the last time we saw a successful raid for the Services was way back, and that is not what we want. Services 4, Railways 4, tied up at 4-4. Anything can happen. This is the final, and we have seen into the last year's final that Haryana was in a gap of a lot, like in the end of the first half it was a lot, but into the second half they covered it and even made the lead. So anything can happen here. Naveen Kumar, Naveen Express is here, who is the captain of Services. Let's see what type of miracle he can do. He's trying for to make a defense lose, trying to get a scorpion kick, but no. What type of ideals he is having, what type of thinking he is having, what he is thinking in his mind as a captain, those are all the things we must take in mind. Pankaj Mohite once again in raid. Last time was caught. Can he take revenge this time? Cause revenge is needed here. They both are tied up. These are the starting few minutes of this match. Anything can happen. Pankaj Mohite in the defense of 5. Last time was caught. This time tried for a touch while running really fast. He is appealing that I got it, and the defender is appealing that no, you did not got that touch. Umpire's decision is what we are going to be waiting for, and I guess yes, it is given a point for Indian Railways. That was a really confident raid by Pankaj Mohite after lots of failed or empty raids. Here, if we talk about Naveen Kumar, he is the only man going for his team. What is happening here? Why Bharat is not going? You might be asking. It's because he is not in there. He is sitting outside because he was caught by the defense of Indian Railways. Defense of Indian Railways is really good. As I was talking about the defense of Indian Railways, there we just saw an ankle hold through the hands of Guan. That is a really good tackle by Indian Railways. Railways is getting its speed. We all know that once the speed is taken by the Railways, it does not stop. And we are seeing Guman, who has played in the U Mumbai as a captain, served as a captain as well in the defense of 3 for Services. It can be a super tackle. Last year I had seen the nationals really close by my eyes. I was there doing commentary and all the stuff, and even showing you guys the analytics of the teams. And at that time I have seen Indian services and railways playing their best, but services a little mild last season. But Indian railways, what a team last season, as well as Haryana. Maharashtra was also there into the semi-finals, but afterwards was tied up with a match into Haryana and lost it against Haryana. Here Pankaj Mohite, the Maharashtrian boy for Indian Railways, who was there while the Puneri Pelton picked the trophy, this time got an successful point. Once you tease the defense, once you are successful to tease the defense, it is an easy thing for the raider. Another point getting add up to the points of Indian Railways. One after one, Indian Railways gathering that point, picking up the speed. You all know that once the railway has speed, the speed boost at that time, it does not even stop. The only thing which can stop is a chain pull. Jokes aside, this is the final match in the 71st Senior Nationals Championship, and we just saw last time Pankaj Mohite doing an successful raid. Here, what? A defender is going for a raid? Is that Rahul Setpal? Is that what I am seeing? That means it is going to be a little bit of all-rounding experience, cause only last two defenders we can say are remaining, and both of them are necessary for the services almost going towards lone, going towards the all out. The specialty of all out is that once the team is all out, the team is all in. As I was saying, they are near all out, and yes, they are near all out. Only last man standing for services, which is also out here. That means it is going to be a really huge lead for Indian Railways getting built up in just the first half, which is not so good thing for services, cause it is going to be an expensive thing for them afterwards in the late match. Here Bharat Udda, what he was doing, and he got that point, just showing his speed, just showing his agility, and got that point without even trying, wasting his energy a lot in the starting 5 to 10 seconds of his raid. If we talk about the raiders of both of the teams, here Pankaj Mohite is coming, and then Devank is coming a lot less cause he was the star raider, I guess that's why. And if we talk about the services, there the only man who is coming is Naveen or Bharat. Another successful tackle, this time of Pankaj Mohite. This time the tackle was of Pankaj Mohite. One after one, out of 3 tackle tries for Pankaj Mohite. 2 times he was being tackled successfully, and 1 time he missed out. 1 time he slipped out. This time Naveen Kumar in the defense of 5. Can he get a point? No. What and teamwork here. 3 players came rushing towards Naveen Kumar and got that tackle successfully. The lead is getting built up by Indian Railways right now at a devastating speed. 11 points for India, 12 points for Indian Railways, 6 points for services. Double the lead is made here. Sudhakar M, the big boy for Tamil Nadu, from Tamil Nadu, and also played in the Patna Pirates as a young player with Shadlu, and also played into the finals of Pro Kabaddi League. That means he has that experience here, and showing his agility from left corner to right corner in the defense of 6. That means bonus was on, but he did not even try for bonus, cause we have seen when Akash tried for bonus, he was caught really easily. Here Bharat is here. Can he revive Naveen? That is what he must be here for. 11 number jersey Bharat, from he has played really good for Bengaluru Bulls, but here nothing against the defense of Indian Railways. What and defense of Indian Railways. They are getting successful tackle almost every times. These are the finals being played between services and Indian Railways. Today only we saw the semi-finals, which were a harsh thing, which was against UP and Punjab respectively, and both of the teams won against those teams and came into the finals playing against each other after a whole year, cause their rivalry from the last 5 years is continued, as I have said from the starting onwards, that the 4 times finalists and champions services and 5 times runner-ups continuously, Indian Railways, and you can say 6 times because last season as well they were the runner-ups. Here Sudhakar M once again into the raid. Last time it was an empty rain. Can he get a point this time at least? The lead is getting built up a lot and lot higher. Here the 13 points for Indian Railways, 6 points for services. 5 players defense, that means bonus is not for on for Sudhakar and he does not even need. What a miss from Rahul, and here got caught by the defense. Once you lost the momentum, then it is really hard to get it back. Rahul's one little mistake was a really good mistake cause he got that point for his team. And here Indian Railways, Devang is here. Devang is a really tough man to do against tough man to sorry, for services he is playing, sorry, my bad. And here he is a really hard player to tackle, that's why it is going to be a hard thing for Indian Railways. Pankaj Mohite watching it from the left corner, can he get that point? And he did not even appeal and not even got. What is happening here? Why he is not working but Bharat is working and Naveen is working? These 3 raiders are working. Rahul Setpal doing his job into the defense. Can we see another good raid by Guman? Cause last time we saw him coming, he was an star raider and came, got that point and went to his court. This time did that jump, but support from the services is going to be kicking in. The defense of the services is going to be kicking in and got that flying bird of Guman from U Mumbai. Last season we have seen him playing. Here Bharat once again, he showed him that back of his, like that is not considered, that is the most disrespectful move. Once you show your back then you almost get caught up, but this time he was not only not caught but he took 1 point for his team. 9 points for services and 13 points for Indian Railways. Timeout is taken. Till that, let's us discuss what has happened till now. The Indian Railways is in a really good form. They have warmed up a really little bit. You know, once a railway takes up the speed, it does not stop, but it just stops when the chain is pulled. And services is right now in not so good mood cause they are only having 9 points, and out of which 2 points were just scored last time. Here Devang, the tall heighted man, is in right into the middle, and Pankaj Mohite is here for the raid for Indian Railways. Can he get a point? Cause last 2 to 3 times he was tackled. Out of that 3 to 4 times he was successfully tackled. That means the successful tackle rate is higher for him than more than 75%. So that makes an hard thing for him. Here once again Devang is here. Devang can get a point for his team. 4 players defense. A comeback is needed for services. 9 points for services. 13 points for Indian Railways. Devang is playing left corner to right corner, right corner to left corner. If we take a look at the not so good raid. Another empty raid. I am also thinking that what is happening here? What is Devang really trying to do? Cause if you have seen him playing for Patna Pirates, it was like getting 2-point raid, getting 3-pointer raid, at least getting a single point every raid. But as his fan, how can you expect him doing empty raids? That is not what we can expect from him. But let it be. Pankaj Mohite is scoring here, Naveen Kumar is scoring here, Bharat Hooda is scoring here, Guman Singh is scoring here, and Rahul Setpal doing his job into the defense. These are all the things which we can see here. Naveen really using the jumping tactics to break the defense, and that also had worked a lots of times for him. Can it work once again? No. This time he was not even able to get another point. Now the match is going to be taking a turn where it gets a little bit of bored and the match stays into that same point for 2 to 3 minutes. That is what happening here. The tried for and solo dash. It is he got it or is an 2-pointer raid? No, he got it, and that was an successful dash by the defender of services. If he would not have come, 1 point would be given to Indian Railways. It could be had been an expensive raid for them, and rather it was an successful defense. Once again, Devank is here. This time at least can he take a point because expectations are really high. Why is he diving from here to there? And this time he is able to get it. Yeah. How many points? Is it a 2-pointer raid? And yes, that is a 2-pointer raid. As I was saying, if you know Devang, then you might be expecting at least a 1 point, 2 point, or 3 point raid. And here we did not saw that much till now. And now, just now, we saw a 2-pointer raid by Devang. That means the score is changed to 11 for services, 16 for Indian Railways. Last season, Akash Shinde was there for Maharashtra and Puneri Paltan as well. Aslam Inamdar was there in Puneri Paltan, and along with them, who was there in Puneri Paltan? Yes, Pankaj Mohite was in Puneri Paltan, and Puneri Paltan had won that finals, that glorious final victory trophy into the hands of Akash Shinde. That those moments are still in my mind. That what and Raiders they were, what and successful team they were this season. It is a really mild thing. Cause what had happened, you know, that Aslam Inamdar was injured. That's why this season a little bit of difficulty had happened to Puneri Paltan. Another timeout is taken. The score is really changed. It is gone from 7-13 to 15-16. Only 1 point lead. Indian Railways might be getting an heart attack from Indian Services. It might be at a gunpoint from Indian Services. That is what happening here. Once again, Devank is here. Can he get a multiple point raid just like last time we saw? It is going to be the main question. I guess the answer is still no. Sometimes your expectations are really higher than what you are thinking. And as I was saying, it takes a little bit of boring turn when you are not expecting or getting points from either of the team. That is when the time gets out, and it is an hard thing for all of us to all viewers, and it gets a little bit of boring. But it is a tough match going on between services and railways. What is happening here? The score just changed. That it is saying 11 and 15. I guess that was a score default. Let it be. Still services is doing and comeback. Naveen Kumar, Naveen Express once again into the raid. Can we see him picking points? Cause last time I had seen him doing super raid was when he was playing for Dabang Delhi as and captain as and winner into the season 8 in Pro Kabaddi League. After that, because of his injury, what an escape! What an escape by Naveen Kumar. He got just slipped up. We can see the enjoy on the face of that auntie over there sitting on the bench. It was so funny to see Naveen Kumar, Naveen Express escaping like a train. Naveen Express, we all know that he is also known as a train, but he is not playing for Indian Railways. He is playing for services. And that escape was a really miraculous escape. What an escape. That was a really fun thing to watch. I can even watch it in a loop for again and again. Here, once again, Pankaj Mohite is in raid. Can he get a point? No, he's wasting the time. Was only 3 point lead Indian Railways is having, and they are asking that it was in third raid and bonus is given. That means it wasn't do or die raid, but as he took the bonus, he is safe. Pankaj is safe. Half time is done. In the end of the first half, the score is 12 points for Indian Services and 15 points for Indian Railways. And because of this match is really tough. I had done those cuts, and let's just go directly towards the second half. Here the score is 14 for services and 20 for Indian Railways. That I have started recording afterwards. That's why a little bit of a miss. That's why let it be. Here we are seeing Nitin Raval sitting outside. Why? He is the main defender. He was one of the best defender. A little bit of buffering here. It might get cancelled. I will just cut it into the final draft. Sunil was in raid, did not got any type of point cause it is going to be just the wasting game. Here services also playing for the third raid. 14 points for services and 20 points for Indian Railways. Not even a single thing of comeback for services. It is going to be an do or die raid. This 19 minutes part is going to be what is going to be cut at again, because here lots of buffering had happened. Let it be, it is going to be cut. That's why I am bluff talking. Until that, let's just talk from here to there to here, something else, something good. And this is the final match going on till I skipped all those moments. Here what is really happening, it is this final match against Indian Railways and Services, and directly skip to the point mark where this is where the scorecard was diminished, and here almost a 3 to 4 pointer lead was still into the hands of Indian Railways, but Services was not at back at all, and 2 points lead for Indian Railways, still another point scored, which means 26 for Services, 27 for Indian Railways, only 1 point lead remaining. This is the final match going on between Indian Railways and Services. Once again this rivalry getting played after lots of years. No, just 1 year gap, cause last year Haryana played the finals as of Services was unable to come into the finals, but Indian Railways had the runner-ups as well. That means 6 times runner-ups. Oh my god, Pankaj is in raid right now. Can he get a point? No, he is wasting the time. This time, what type of thing in the mind Bharat has came? Can he get a point? And this time, how many points? That is a 2-pointer raid by Bharat Hooda. Once and failed try for ankle hold, and then a failed try for a dash. Both of the things happening at the same time. And what they were doing, playing a game of a tag? No, Bharat Hooda bought and raider for his team. That means 1 point lead now would be into the hands of Services. If we take a look at the score into the starting few minutes of the match, it was like 7-13, then it was 11-15, then it was 14-20, and right now it is 27-28. What an match going on between Services and Indian Railways. This is none other than final match into the 71st Senior Nationals, being played between two of the greatest teams. Two of the greatest teams, along with the many, like 14 star, more than 14, cause a team of Kabaddi just 7 are in game and others are in substitute. That we also are going to be talking about substitute. That means a lots of star raiders into these matches. And here Services 28, Indian Railways 27. A pressure getting built up on the Services. Can we see a comeback, a lead taken up by Services? Pankaj Mohite is in raid. He must take a point. At least a bonus is needed here. Anything as a bonus or anything is needed here. I guess they are playing for the third raid. 27-28. What an match going on. Yes, they are playing for the third raid. That is most common thing here. I guess that's an Pankaj Mohite at again. This time, can he get a point? At least bonus is needed. Without bonus, that means it is going to be an do or die situation. Why are you going in this quick, man? If you wait a little bit, then you could have got that chance of do or die raid. You could have taken the full advantage of do or die raid. It was his necessity to take the point, not your necessity to defend him. Here, Bharat. No. Is it Devank or Bharat? A little bit of blur pixels here. I guess that's Devank. And here, how many points? Or is he getting tackled? Yes, a really advanced tackle by Indian Railways. Once again, a single point lead. The coaches of Services getting a little bit of tension here. Indian Railways playing at full mood right now. They would not be into the pressure. This is a 1 point lead taken by Indian Railways. Here Devank was just out, which means the pressure on the Services is getting built up higher and higher. Their coaches can be seen in the serious mood. What is happening here? You might be asking. This is the final match. Here, the final match, the big match, the War zone of Kabaddi is happening here. Pankaj Mohite wasting the time. Only a last few minutes would be remaining. Here Naveen Kumar, Naveen Express. No, who was it? I guess it was Naveen Express only. Nah, that just went and came. Did not got any type of point. I guess they are playing for the third rate for both of the teams. Pankaj Mohite, why are you wasting time if you need points? What type of thinking is services having? I am confused in this patch. My brain cells are getting damaged one after one movement. Like into the first when Naveen Kumar escaped that movement, almost I was at a lot of fun. Even I laughed at that moment, and not only I but everybody was laughing over sitting there. Here once again, can he see a pointer raid? No, they are playing for the third raid. I guess so. Yeah, two after two empty raids, the third raid is known as do or die raid, where the point must be taken. Here, Pankaj Mohite has came. If a successful tackle, then it would give you 1 point. And yes, that is a successful tackle. That is a double thigh hold. That much confidence you must have. Rahul Saitpal, what an defender for services. 29-29. That means a timeout must be taken at this situation. That's why the Indian Railways coach has taken the time out. Here, what is happening? Both the teams tied up. This is the final match going on, and only last a few minutes are remaining. It can be a tie. If it would be a tie, it could get into the tiebreaker. But I don't think it would get into a tiebreaker because it cannot be a tie. Indian Railways is a really strong team as well as its services. Anyone can pick up a multiple point lead, and this match can end right now at this very situation as well. So let's see what will happen. Sudhakar M is in an confidence over here as well as all the team of Indian Railways cause they were the one leading at the starting. Naveen Kumar is here for the do or die raid. If he picks up a point, then it would be an almost an easy thing for him. It would get an easy thing for him. But if he is not able to take a point, then it would be an point for the Indian Railways. What are they checking? Is that a is that an third raid or is an defender out or what type of mistake has happened? Was that an second raid? I don't know. Ajinkya Pawar handling the situation right now over here. He was substituted at the middle of the match. From that onwards, he was playing in 7. If we take a look at the score, it's still 29-29. Not a lot has changed. The match almost getting towards its end. Everybody's heartbeat would be at the highest right now. Bharat is in his raid. Can he get a point? This time, no! He is tackled by the defense of Indian Railways. They might be celebrating over here. That means this time, I guess we had got an winner of the 71st Senior Nationals if the last few minutes are remaining. If that is not the thing here, oh, Ajinkya Pawar is not even a need of a point. He is just going to be wasting the time. One last trade can happen of services. If they are able to successfully take a point in that last trade, it is going to be a miracle for both of the teams because not even a single time we have seen an tiebreaker situation into the finals. Naveen Kumar came in and got that point. That point of Sudhakar M. Once you get into a quick situation for win, that time a few mistakes happen and that means the score is tied. Sudhakar M is given a green card, a warning is given as well as a point is given to services. That means they are both tied up to a tiebreaker 30-30. If the match ends here, then it could get a tiebreaker. If that does not end here, one last trade can be of Indian Railways and it can get changed up. Yeah, Indian Railways, Ajinkya Pawar is in raid. If this could get an empty raid, then it would be an easy thing. If it is not an empty raid, it is an hard thing. The match is ended here, but at what cost? 30 points each. That means it is going to be a tiebreaker. The 5-5 raids, the 5 golden raids, the glorious raids, and that as well in the 71st Senior Nationals. What an final we are able to see this season, this time. Cause these types of finals we are not able to see. These are the gradual changes over the years, and in that of what and raid we are going to see into the tiebreaker. First raid is of Indian the services that in here got tackled, which means a point is going to be added for them. One successful point out of 5. It is going to be an hard thing to believe here for services, and the Indian Railways already scoring 2 points. That is and not so necessary, and that way as well here 1 point is gifted to the services. That means they are having a clear-cut strategy. But here, if a successful tackle is done by services, then it could end up here for Indian Railways. They are thinking that they are in a winning situation for them, cause that one extra point was given. One defender was standing in front. Here, anything can happen. What are we going to be seeing? Guman is in raid. Can he get a point? It is the most necessary thing for him right now. In this time, the touch line is an bonus line. If you are even able to cross that line, then you get an bonus. That means you get, if you are lucky enough to get here. No, that is an tackle. 1 more points into the points for services. 2 for each. 2 for services, 2 for Indian Railways. The tiebreaker is being tied up here. Next raid is going to be of services. Let's see who is coming in raid for. I guess Naveen Kumar is coming. Yeah, Naveen Express is coming, and if he is successful to take point, then it is going to be a really hard thing. Oh, they are giving point. Why are they actually giving point? I guess their strategy is that give them a point, give them a single point, and then try to get 2 or double or triple points from raiding side. Indian Railways 2 points, services 3 points. Services having a lead here into the tiebreaker. What an match this was, and clear-cut lead for Indian Railways into the starting first half until the end of, and at the end 29-29, then 30-30. The score gradually changed. Here the need for the point is excessive, and Ajinkya Pawar getting that point for Indian Railways. The tiebreaker is tied up once again. This time, who is going to be going for services? I guess Devank is going. Yes, Devank is going to be a miracle for his team as he was for Patna Pirates this season. If that really happens, services could get that glory once again. No, the point is given by Indian Railways. I guess some type of soup is getting cooked up into the pressure cooker of Indian Railways. What actually are they thinking here? 4 points for services, 3 points for Indian Railways. Only a 1 point lead into the tie breaker. Here what actually is needed is an successful tackle. Sudhakar M in raid. If he gets tackled, then everything can be changed by the team of services. The successful tackle is all that are needed. And yes, that comeback, that dash from the back, that is what services had needed. That means this is going to be an victory for services. 3 for Indian Railways, 5 for services into the tiebreaker. This time it is going to be an easy thing, because even if they lose a point in this last very raid, it is going to be a not so clear cut and bad thing for them. That is going to be not a big deal for them. It is going to be a win-win situation for Indian services. I guess we got the champions of 71st Senior National Finals. Here after a longer wait than more a year, we are seeing Indian Railways and services into the final, and in that as well, services winning the finals. They are cooking up the soup once again. It is going to be give a 1 point, give the last point. 6 for services, 3 for Indian Railways. Last point would be given. They would also think that what can we evenly do. Sunil came in, got that handshake and went back. Here, Indian Services cheering up, celebrating their victory after a whole year. Last season, there was Haryana winning. This year, Services won yet again against Indian Railways. Once again, they were the runner ups.